What's up, backers? Goldie here, and I have something very special to show you. My very own Craft Essentials Toolkit, made in partnership with Make It Real, and available on Amazon right now. Literally the other day, I was, dancing like I do in class, and my pants literally ripped. It was make or break, guys. And then I was like, oh wait. Obviously, I opened it up, I used my little cactus pin holder. I sewed it right up. It might have been with like red thread, but you know what? It was like good, it was all closed. Okay, I have a very cool hack to show you guys, but first, a message from our sponsors, AKA me. Have you ever tried to wear a new belt to school only to find it's way too big to be useful? Then you need a punching all from our Craft Essentials Toolkit. Ever had trouble keeping your homework organized? Do you find crumpled up worksheets at the bottom of your book bag? Consider crunched up schoolwork a thing of the past with our Craft Essentials clamps on hand. Have you ever been so annoyed to the point of insanity by an itchy tag on your favorite jacket? You can say bye-bye to those itchy tags with the help of our handy dandy seam ripper, exclusive to our Craft Essentials Toolkit. Consider your messes unmessed, your troubles untroubled, your problems unprobbed when you have the Make It Real GoldieBlox Craft Essentials Toolkit. And for our first hack, we're gonna be making a pincushion bracelet with the cutest little pincushion in the toolkit. It's a little cactus with a flower. So, like those old-timey movies with like the seamstress who has the pincushion bracelet with a big tomato on it. Why is it always a tomato? Do we know? Why isn't it a cactus, Anyways, so we are upgrading it. I mean, it's really nice to have it on your wrist, either you're right-handed or left-handed. But when you're sewing, you don't want to accidentally misplace a pin, or and sit on it, or it falls on the floor and your dog touches it or something. We're just gonna be hot gluing this to a slap bracelet. Super easy, super simple, and it's not a tomato, so 10 times better. So you need a slap bracelet and the cactus pincushion from the toolkit, and hot glue, obviously. So you take your hot glue, gonna make a little blob. Make it generous, you don't want the pincushion to fall off. Then you just kinda stick it right on there. Ha ha ha. And then you let it dry. So you dry. And there we go. Okay. So now you have this fashionable pincushion bracelet. Just make a little face, Oh, I put his eye kind of in the center. He's gonna be a cyclops, kind of. See, look, now he has little eyes. Super easy, super simple, and adorable. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to grab the brand new Craft Essentials Toolkit available on Amazon right now. Link is in the description. And guys, I really want to see what you guys fix or what you make with the toolkit. So comment down below your best fixes or makes or builds. That's a better word. GoldieBlox signing off. Bye.